Do you like wearing t-shirts?
Absolutely. As a big lover of wearing several type of t-shirt with several colors like as red, yellow, blue, white and so on. So definitely I like to wear t-shirts.
Do you like t-shirts with pictures?
Well, definitely I like to wear a t-shirt with pictures for various reasons. Firstly, it provides me a lot of satisfaction and joy. Secondly, whenever I wear a t-shirt in front of others people's like as friend, colleague, neighbor and so on, that moment all persons are appreciated to me and comment that you are looking so nice. That moment I feel over the moon. On the top of that, I strongly believe that it increase my hidden beauty whenever I wearing several type of t-shirt with pictures. So definitely I like a t-shirt with pictures.
Do you think wearing a t-shirt is fashionable?
To be honest with you, all citizens of my country prefer to wear t-shirt to show their wealthiness, and of course it is a one kind of fashion, especially for the younger. If I talk about the wealth person or the richest person in my country, they always try to wear a t-shirt. So I think every person are showing their ability by wearing a t-shirt. If I talk about the youngster, they always show their fashionness by wearing t-shirt, and of course it is more comfortable to wear a t-shirt.
Do you like t-shirts with prints?
Definitely I always like to wear a t-shirt with prints because there have several reasons why I using a t-shirt with prints. Firstly, it is more comfortable, which brings me a lot of joy and happiness, of course. And secondly, it's show my worthiness to the others persons, like as friends, colleagues, neighbor, and so on. On the top of that, whenever I wear a t-shirt with prints, I strongly believe that it increase the beauty of my body and language.
How often do you wear a t-shirt?
Honestly speaking, from morning to evening, I wear several type of t-shirt, not only on my house but also on my workstations, because it is more comfortable, which provide me a lot of satisfaction. Also remove my stress. Even so, whenever I go outside to buy anything, not only for my family members but also for my neighbors, that moment I try to buy a t-shirt. It would be any color such as red, black, white, and so on. If I talk about the weekend, especially on Friday, I prefer to go to the shopping mall, which is far from my house, because there have available t-shirt with several colors. And of course, I try to collect any kind of t-shirt from that place. So definitely from morning to evening, I prefer to wear a t-shirt.
Do you think young star prefer t-shirt rather than older person?
Well, as far as I am concerned, youngsters are preferring t-shirt rather than the old person. There have various reasons why youngsters like most. Firstly, they always like to show their happiness or wealthness in front of the other persons. And secondly, If they are able to wear a t-shirt, it brings the beauty in their minds, and also it is very wonderful whenever they are wearing a t-shirt. Even so, youngsters prefer to go outing either in their countryside or their other countries. At that time, they like to wear a t-shirt. So I think there have available t-shirt in my country, whereas they can buy with cheaper rate. So I think youngsters are more popular to using several type of t-shirt with several colors. On the other hand, older person, they always like to show their uh, politeness to the others. For that reason, they like to wear normal cloth or casual cloth. On the other hand, uh, if I talk about the girls or women, they also prefer to wear a t-shirt with several colors because they always follow the western culture, whereas men and women wearing t-shirt. So I think in Bangladesh, youngster and the men women wearing the t-shirt with several colors rather than the old person.
Why you like to wear a t-shirt?
Well, for various reasons, I prefer to wear a t-shirt. Firstly, it is more comfortable. Secondly, it increases the beauty of my mind whenever I wear a t-shirt. On the top of that, if I wear a t-shirt, that moment all peoples appreciate me as a wealthy person. Even so, whenever I go outing with my friends or bosom friends, I prefer to wear a t-shirt because all of my friend circle try to wear t-shirt. So I like to match my cloth with them. So of course, in various reasons, I like to wear a t-shirt.